Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and confirming the exact account and device causing the problem. Once signed in, go directly to YouTube History or Google My Activity so you can see what's recorded. Make sure to reproduce the issue now, play a short video, then check whether it appears. If it doesn't, note the time and device. If it does, you have a working baseline. This lets you target settings and sync behavior without guessing. Next, diagnose settings that control history. Go to YouTube Settings History and Privacy and toggle Watch and search History off then on. This forces a refresh. Then check the YouTube app or browser permissions so it can record activity. Make sure sync and activity controls are enabled in your Google account. Also inspect other signed-in sessions and any browser extensions or ad blockers. They often intercept tracking. Once adjusted, retest to see if new plays appear in history. To finish, clear cache or cookies and restart the app or browser, then sign back in to force clean sync. Once done, test again by watching a brief video and checking history. If problems persist, use incognito or a different browser to isolate extension conflicts. Make sure you test the same account. If you still see no history, reset Google activity controls for YouTube and allow 24 hours for propagation, and contact support with timestamps if the issue continues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.